Hi everyone, and welcome back to the second part of Travel Diaries. Okay, cutie. Hey, no! And today is the second day of our travel to Kanha Shanti Vanam. And as you can see, we are still in the train. So we were supposed to reach at 5 in the morning, but we are running exactly 7 hours late in our schedule. And after a long wait, we finally reached the Sikandrabad railway station. It is one of many stations situated in Hyderabad, but it was the closest from our destination. From there were buses allotted for only Abhyasis, and we began our final journey to reach the ashram. And after a 2-hour travel from bus, we finally reached Kanha Shanti. And this is the area where we kept our bags and used to get back to every night for sleep. Now, there were paid accommodations as well and 5 stars hotel in the campus. But to be very honest, I never felt a need of any paid accommodation or a hotel. This is one of the places where we were given our meals. And the meal was so good. I don't exactly remember what it was since it was a South Indian dish, but to get a free meal with such level of hygiene was just impossible to find anywhere. Now we are heading towards the meditation hall area, and I am going to give you a little tour of this place. Locked in a stalemate, man was no. After which, I headed to some of my favorite places: the bookstore, and the library, of course. My compass, my transport. Now, I'll be showing you all a glimpse of how it felt to look at so many people at the meditation hall. And to be very honest, the numbers were just mind blowing. And with that, we'll be ending our second part of Travel Diaries and our second day of our trip to Kanha Shanti. If you enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to the channel, And like the video if my presentation was any good. I hope you judge my work with best appreciations. Bye.